So I am sure that you guys were having a lot of fun playing the previous strumming pattern. So I'm pretty sure that you're curious like what strumming pattern 2 has to offer. Now, the best thing that you can do is go back to strumming pattern 1 and emphasize on the last beat, that's the fourth beat where you're playing the down up. It's the 4 and. All you have to do is imitate the exact same rhythm on the third beat as well. So if you have to say it out loud, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. So basically, you're strumming on the ands as well. So if I have to demonstrate that, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to memorize this better, if you want to get better at it, if you want to say out your strokes, then it's just going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Be very sure and be very careful that you are keeping a strong pulse going with it. I would suggest that you use a metronome in practice. Do not rush, and the ideal tempo for practicing is somewhere between 75 to 85 beats per minute. Uh, just download it on your mobile app and just use it. So, all right, the previous chord progression was A to D. Let's try something a lot more fun. Let's switch from A to E with your strumming pattern number 2. Steady, change. One last time. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to be a little ambitious, and as in when you practice this, don't get stuck in the same tempo. I would suggest like try and speed it up a little bit, like not immediately, but once you feel that your transitions are strong, your chord changes are smooth, then slowly go 5 BPM further. Like from 75 you can go to 80, then 85. So just to give you a small glimpse of what it sounds when you speed it up, it's a universal strumming pattern. You must have heard it in plenty of songs that you have heard. So let's give it a shot. Slightly higher, upbeat. Here we go. So yes, spend some time. Don't forget the first strumming pattern. Speed that up as well. And once you are pretty stable with strumming pattern number 1 and 2, I'm sure you'll enjoy the strumming pattern number 3 a lot more. So see you in a bit.